Today we are going to look at a linked list problem. Uh, the problem is swap nodes in pairs. So let's read the problem statement. Given a linked list, swap every two adjacent nodes and return its head. You must solve the problem without modifying the values in the list node. Only nodes themselves may be changed. So here is an example. If you have a linked list of 4 nodes, after swapping the nodes, this is how it should look. And if you have empty list, just return the empty list. If it contains only one node, just return that. And what if the linked list contains odd number of nodes? So in that case, as long as you have 2 nodes to swap, you keep swapping, and then the last one, you just leave as it is. So let me illustrate the solution to this problem using a diagram. So what we will do to solve this problem is, first we'll create a dummy head. For linked list problems, creating a dummy head really helps formalizing a solution. So we'll create a dummy head, and also we'll need another temporary variable called current to traverse the linked list while we are processing it. And so initially this is how you will set up your variables. You'll create a dummy and you will create a current. So dummy.next will be head, and then you will also identify the first and second. So that is the first pair to swap, and then basically as long as you have pair, you keep swapping first and second, and you move your current just before the next pair to swap. So the current will be a pointer just before the pair of nodes to swap, and your condition will be as long as you have 2 nodes ahead of current, you will continue running the algorithm. So let's try to write the code for this problem. So if initially take care of your edge cases. For example, if head is equal to null, just return head, and let's create a dummy head. Just use any value, and dummy dot next equal to head. Attach this dummy to the head of the current list, and also we need another variable, temporary variable, to traverse the linked list. Now our condition is very simple. While current.next is not equal to null, and current.next is not equal to null. Now inside the loop, you will identify first node and second node of a pair. So the first node will be current.next, second node will be current.next. Now swap these two. We're just interchanging the pointers. First.next is equal to second.next, and second.next is equal to first. Now you also have to move current pointer just before the next pair to swap. So current.next is equal to second, and then we're changing our current to first. And once the loop is done, you just return dummy dot head, dummy dot next. That's our original head of the linked list. So let's try to run this solution. Alright, so this is accepted. Let's submit. And it looks good for all the test cases provided by LeetCode. That's about it. Very straightforward solution. Once you formalize the conditions and create a dummy head, it's very straightforward. See you next time.